Hi and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. Adding to our series of rice dishes, I'll be making the Sri Lankan coconut rice. Cooked in aromatic spices and thick creamy coconut milk, this rice recipe is easy to make, flavorful, and will complement your spicy curries and various other dishes. To cook the Sri Lankan rice, you will need the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee, a handful of curry leaves, 1 large piece of pandan leaf, 1 bay leaf, 4 cardamom pods, 2-inch cinnamon peas, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, this is about a pinch, 2 cups of basmati rice, 2 cups of water, 1.5 cup of semi-thick coconut milk. Make this coconut milk by diluting 1 cup of coconut milk with half a cup of water, and salt to season. To cook the rice, first place a cooking pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Add the curry leaves, pandan leaf, bay leaf, cardamoms, cinnamon, cloves. Stir for a few seconds to release their aroma. Then add the minced ginger, minced garlic. Stir for a few seconds again, and then add the cumin seeds, followed by turmeric powder. Stir over low-medium heat, then gently add the washed and soaked rice. Please make sure to soak the rice only for 10 minutes. Now combine the rice with the aromatic spices for 60 seconds. Once this is done, pour in the water, followed by the coconut milk. Gently stir for a few seconds. Cover and cook over low-medium heat for 12 to 15 minutes or until all the liquid has been absorbed by the rice. Midway through the cooking time, check on the rice for any liquid. Use a fork to fluff the rice, cover and continue to cook. Keep the lid on, shut off the heat, and let the rice rest for 5 minutes. This would allow the rice to absorb the last bit of liquid. Once the rice is done, fluff the rice with a fork, add some coriander leaves, this is optional, combine with a fork and serve while still warm. And this is your Sri Lankan coconut rice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again with another great recipe you can try.